So, what does the interview process typically look like for an SDE2 profile? Can you walk us through the various rounds in the interview?
Yeah, sure, Lakshmi. So I'll tell you about my experience. So for me, in total, there were a couple of rounds, a total of 6 rounds to be precise. Uh, when I joined Intuit, I was interviewing for SD2 profile. Okay. And now that I have got promoted to senior software engineer, but the interview process that I would be sharing is for SD2 profile, right? So the very first round that most of the tech companies take is an online coding assessment. So I was given an assessment. The assessment had questions around DSA, around object-oriented programming, and some database queries. So all the fundamentals were tested well in that assessment. There were MCQs, there were coding questions. So that is how the first round went. After that, there is the second round, which is known as craft round in Intuit. This is basically the system design round. So in this round, there were a panelist of 4 people. And, I was asked to design a system. And every other design choice that I made, I was being questioned. There were questions one after the other. So this was like for me the toughest round to face, with around 45 minutes to 1 hour of continuous grilling throughout. Yeah, but yeah, that went well. After that, there is first technical round of interview. And in this technical round of interview, again, I was given questions on DSA and on Java. Since I was working on Java, my programming language was Java. That's why I was asked question on Java. Other than that, there can be questions on different languages also, depending on what you are working on. And it's not very much language specific. It's mainly the basic concepts, like, again, the OOPS, the DBMS things, right? And the core concepts of any language that you're working on. So this is how the first technical interview round went. Second technical interview round, I was asked puzzles and all. It was targeted more towards testing your logical and analytical abilities, your reasoning skills, and all those kind of things. And after this, there was a techno managerial round. So techno managerial round is more of like a behavioral round. So in that, I was asked about my projects and challenges that I have faced in, implementing things, or things like that, where you generally use the star pattern to answer the questions. So yeah, it was about my past experiences, my projects, and right. So after this round, finally, the sixth round was the HR discussion, and then the offer got released.
Okay,
So, yeah.
okay. Oh my God. So this is like 6 rigorous rounds, right, for an SDE2. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
right.
And all
Okay.
the rounds actually happen
Mhm,
on the same day. Just the coding
mhm.
assessment is given prior to you. Once you
Okay.
clear that, back to
Mhm.
back, all the rounds will happen on the same day. So it's like
Okay.
continuous 3 to 4 hours of commitment, and
Yeah.
yeah.